Hello friends, in this video I wanna show you how you get rid of mice from your home, garden and your farm. House mice considered dangerous and destructive pests because they carry and transmit viruses, bacteria and other diseases. Mice are considered to be troublesome pests. But you don't need to still worry about that. This remedy will help you to remove mice from your home, garden and your farms. To make this remedy, we will need few natural ingredients such as eaiser. Eaiser is an instrument that is often used for a natural tropical remedy. It contains several compounds with the potent anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties. Next one is essential oil. Essential oil is also frequent recommendation for determining mice into the home like other essential oil. And the last, boric acid. This is one of the simplest way to keeping from your home free mouse or mice. This is an effective way to exterminate mice or repellent. Now we make this remedy. Firstly, we need just 1/2 teaspoon of boric acid into the bowl. Now we just add 1 teaspoon of essential oil into the mixture. In the last, we just add 1.5 cup of eaiser into the mixture. Now mix it well. The remedy is ready to use.